Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another beautiful bag to show you today. So this is a Coach and it is the Lenox Satchel, and it's in this beautiful like soft tactile red pebble leather, which is gorgeous. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then on the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and then we have one removable strap. That's a removable long strap, and it is also adjustable as well. You can see there we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, but it's got quite a few more settings for the length. We have also got little leather Coach tag just here, and then along the top we've got a zip top closure. So I'll open it up and show you inside. Inside we've got one zipped pocket at the back, so I'll just show you that zip still works really nicely. And then on the other side we've got 2 flat pockets here and here. So the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. So you can see the colour is still really nice all over, it's beautiful. And there's not many marks really for me to show you. Along the bottom is probably where there's the most noticeable. You can see there's just a little mark here, and just a little bit of kind of darkening on the leather there. Other than that, there isn't a huge amount of marks for me to show you. There's a couple along the top. You can see just like that little one there, and a little bit there. But overall, that leather and the colour of the leather is still really nice. We've called it good because you can tell it's not brand new, but it does have that really nice kind of soft, relaxed shape to it, so I don't think it takes away from the bag. The interior and the hardware we've called very good. Again, you can tell they're not brand new, but they are in gorgeous condition. All that gold tone is still very nice, especially on this little badge here. And I'll open it up again so you can see inside. Again, in there, it's in gorgeous condition. So that's why we've called it very good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Coach bag. We've got Coach bags, so it'll make a nice gift because it comes with the bag as well. And then we've also got a little Coach care card in there as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements on this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Coach. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is we do have a request list, so just let us know that you love this bag. We'll get you on a request list and we'll send you through an alert as soon as we get in one like it, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. And that applies to any bag you have in mind as well, so whatever it is, it could be Gucci, Mulberry, Fendi, whatever it is, let us know and we'll get you on a request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", so we have got that removable strap on there. So if you wanted to have that on the shoulder like that, or tuck it over as a crossbody like that, it's really nice and comfortable to wear. And again, we've got that strap on the shortest setting at the minute. If you wanted to make it a little bit longer, you have that option as well. Or if you wanted to pop off the strap, I'll just show you, just unclips on either end like that, and then you can just have it with those top handles, which is still really nice and really comfortable to wear as well. It's a great kind of everyday bag, this leather is just really relaxed, and it's a nice shape as well, and a nice size to fit quite a few bits in. So that is the size of this bag. If you wanted any more details, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. If you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy bag code, all the details you need to know are on that page. So have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.